PowerPoint says your presentation is corrupt. Before you start over, try the Open and Repair command hidden inside the File menu. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's recover your slides. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn PPTX files. The PPTX extension represents a PowerPoint presentation container used for slides and media. The default format for Microsoft PowerPoint since version 2007. It is an open XML compressed archive that stores slides, text, transitions, and media as separate parts inside a single container to prevent total file loss if one piece is corrupted. Our PPTX repair guide typically contains a combination of text, images, and potentially embedded software, or scripts, designed to analyze and fix common PowerPoint file errors. Designed using zip compression standards, these files must contain a specific content types .xml file to define the relationships between media assets and slide layouts. They support vector graphics and embedded fonts to ensure visual consistency across different hardware. The standard opener for PPTX is known to be Microsoft PowerPoint developed by Microsoft Corporation. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows provides a preview, but effects, animations, and transitions require dedicated software. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your PPTX file and select Open With. Test Microsoft PowerPoint if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. When your PPTX file does not open, it is usually a small issue. We're facing a complicated PPTX error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, do the zip recovery trick. If a file is corrupted, rename the extension to .zip and open it with a tool like WinRAR. You can often navigate to the PPT media folder to manually extract the images and videos, even if the presentation itself won't open. Next, read-only bypass. If the file is locked for editing, check the file properties. Uncheck Read Only or click Unblock at the bottom of the General tab, which often happens to PPTX files downloaded from the internet or email attachments. Finally, Font Embedding Fix. If the layout looks messy on a different computer, go to Options. Save and check Embed Fonts in the file. This packages the specific typography inside the PPTX so it looks exactly the same on every machine. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.